Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. GoPros have been around forever, and the name is synonymous with action and adventure. Because of that, there's a very robust accessory market for GoPros. But with so many accessories available, it's hard to know what's worth your money and what isn't. I'm hoping I can help you answer that today. I've got a closet full of first and third-party GoPro accessories, and I wanted to talk about the ones that I use all the time, the ones that are great for very specific needs, and a couple that I just wouldn't bother with if I were you. Let's go find someplace nice to look at all these accessories. Come on! First off, the accessory that's almost always attached to my GoPro is the bite mount. This thing is great for getting POV shots that are actually at your eye level, for swimming, and anything else you can think of where you want your hands free or where you want the audience to really experience everything from your perspective. The reason it stays on 90% of the time is because it also has a quick release base that makes it super easy to mount to other GoPro accessories. One of those being the magnetic swivel clip. This thing has a strong clip and a top that can swivel around. There's also a magnet in the base that makes it very versatile to just stick wherever you want. Another great one to stick places is the suction mount. This one isn't one that you'll use all the time, but if you need something that really sticks to a car, boat, plane, or even just a window, this thing is a beast. It's rated to hold suction at over 150 miles an hour or 242 kilometers an hour. I've given it a rather thorough testing over the years and it has never failed me. The Jaws clamp plus the gooseneck is also a combo that you won't need all the time, but it works great if you know you're going to have a use for it. The Jaws are a really substantial clamp that lets you clamp onto larger objects and really hold them tight, like this tree here. Then the gooseneck lets you position the camera as you need. Like I said, it's a great combo if you have that kind of need. These little peak design bases are really great if you're in that ecosystem already, because you can attach them to your GoPro and then clip it to a capture clip or even the Peak Design travel tripod. So if you have a lot of Peak Design products already, then this is a great option to have just readily available in your GoPro accessory bag. Chest and head straps are everywhere. They all work well. If you want or need one, go for it. The one thing most people will use a ton is a handle, so you have an easy way to hold your GoPro for vlogs or, whatever you're doing. There are a couple of options to look at, and they both also can double as a tripod, so it makes them a little more versatile. The first one is the Shorty. It's a tiny little thing that usually comes in the GoPro bundles. It's okay if you need a very small handle, but it feels cheap, and also it's not very stable as a tripod when it's fully extended. I think a better option is the Max Grip. It feels much better built. It's a good bit bigger, but that also means it's taller and a lot more stable as a tripod when it's fully extended. Sometimes I wish I could extend it even more, but if you want a long extension pole, The 270 Pro is amazing, and this thing goes from 16 inches or 40 centimeters to 104 inches or 270 centimeters. There's no tripod on it, but it's an option that can really let you get creative with your GoPro shots. Now let's talk flotation devices. Most everyone that gets a GoPro wants to take it near, in, or under the water eventually. But what happens when a wave or even your own clumsiness causes you to lose the GoPro? First off, don't get this old style floating handle where you have to use the screw-in GoPro mount. In a world where you can find ones with quick release plates, the screw-in ones aren't worth the slight money savings that they offer. Both of them float with a little orange base bobbing out of the water to help you spot it. And they both have wrist straps to keep them from getting away. But the newer design with the quick release plate is much easier to use, so you can quickly swap your GoPro in and out and get back to having fun. The best flotation device though, in my opinion, is the Floaty. It's big, bright, and easy to spot. I love using it in combination with the new floating handle, my bite mount, or just any time I'm near some water because of the extra safety it offers. Finally, another accessory that a lot of people sleep on, but I think actually offers a good bit of value, is the GoPro subscription. It's $50 a year, but you get unlimited cloud storage of all your footage, GoPro replacement, and the often overlooked part, but what I think is really valuable, is you get discounts on all the accessories on their website, up to 50% off. It's a dope way to get first-party items at a reasonable price, and that way you don't have to mess with those cheap value packs that are of more questionable quality. Whew, I know that's a lot of information, but I hope some of it can help you make a decision about what you need or may not need in the huge world of GoPro accessories. Let me know in the comments if there's something that you would specifically like me to cover. Please like, share, and if you haven't, subscribe. And as always, I hope to see you out there. Bye.